Welcome to the channel. If you're passionate about Africa and want to explore what makes this continent truly special, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you never miss an update. In this video, we are diving into one of the most debated and celebrated topics on the continent. Which country is Africa's most loved? Is it Nigeria, Kenya, or Ghana? Grab a seat, relax, and join us on this exciting ride through culture, innovation, beauty, and pride. Africa is home to over 50 unique and diverse countries, each with its own flair and influence. However, three names often pop up in conversations about love, admiration, and respect: Nigeria, Kenya, and Ghana. These countries are not only leaders in their respective regions, but they've also become cultural icons across the continent and beyond. Whether through music, tourism, food, or fashion, each of them has carved a space in the heart of millions. But what makes them so special? Let's start with Nigeria, often called the giant of Africa. Nigeria boasts the largest population in Africa and is a powerhouse of cultural influence, especially through its booming entertainment industry, Nollywood. Nigeria's movie industry, it is the second largest in the world in terms of output. Nigerian music, Afrobeat in particular, has taken over global airwaves with artists like Burna Boy, Wizkid, and Davido earning international acclaim. Nigerian fashion, slang, and even jollof rice have become global sensations. Kenya, on the other hand, is known for its breathtaking landscapes and wildlife. From the majestic Great Rift Valley to the plains of the Masai Mara, Kenya is a top destination for tourists around the globe. But Kenya is more than just its safaris. It's a tech hub, often called the Silicon Savannah, thanks to innovations like M-Pesa, a mobile money platform that revolutionized digital finance in Africa. Nairobi, the capital, is buzzing with startups, entrepreneurs, and creatives who are shaping the future of the continent. Now, let's talk about Ghana. Rich in history and cultural heritage, Ghana has become a symbol of African pride and Pan-Africanism. The Year of Return campaign in 2019 brought thousands of Africans in the diaspora back to Ghana, reconnecting them with their roots. Accra, the capital, has turned into a vibrant city full of music, art, and fashion. Ghanaian artists like Sarkodie and Stonebwoy are household names, and the country's commitment to democracy and development is often held up as a model for others. Now, let's pause for a moment. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and hit that subscribe button so you can keep riding with us on more journeys across Africa. When it comes to cultural exports, Nigeria leads the charge. Nollywood movies are watched across the continent and even beyond Africa. The Nigerian accent, style, and even mannerisms have become part of pop culture. The widespread cultural dominance has contributed immensely to Nigeria's lovable status. And people from various countries find themselves quoting Nigerian phrases, dancing to Nigerian music, or watching Nigerian dramas. Kenya shines brightly when it comes to tourism and environmental conservation. The country has over 50 national parks and reserves, offering travelers an up-close look at Africa's most iconic animals. Kenya also hosts the United Nations Environment Programme, highlighting its leadership in sustainability. The hospitality of the Kenyan people, their pride in their heritage, and their multilingual abilities make visitors feel welcome and appreciated. Ghana's strength lies in its history and commitment to unity. The Cape Coast Castle and Emina Castle are two historical sites that remind the world of the transatlantic slave trade. Yet, Ghana has turned this painful past into a source of strength and unity. The Year of Return attracted celebrities and everyday people who left with a new sense of identity and purpose. This kind of emotional connection makes Ghana one of the most loved African countries. Nigeria's influence also extends into business and economy. With a GDP of over $400 billion, it has one of the largest economies in Africa. Lagos, the commercial capital, is a mega city full of opportunities, innovation, and ambition. From fintech companies to fashion brands, Nigeria is bursting with entrepreneurial energy. This creates not just economic admiration but emotional ties as people look up to Nigeria as a land of opportunity. Kenya's youth are another reason it's so loved. Young Kenyans are tech-savvy, expressive, and full of potential. They dominate platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter, pushing social causes and creative content. Events like the Nairobi Innovation Week or the Nairobi Design Week showcase this vibrant energy. It's no wonder that people all over the continent admire Kenya's youth culture. Ghana, meanwhile, has made significant strides in education and healthcare. The free SAH, that is senior high school policy implemented by the government, has allowed thousands of students to gain access to education. Its healthcare reforms and efforts to digitize government services show a commitment to long-term development. These progressive policies enhance Ghana's global and regional appeal. Let's take another quick break to remind you, if you love this kind of content, show us some love by liking this video, commenting your favorite country, and subscribing for more eye-opening stories about Africa. Nigerian cuisine is a major factor in its lovability, from suya and puff to egusi and amala. Nigerian dishes are flavorful and bold. They tell stories of regions and tribes, from the spicy foods of the south to the diverse stews of the north. Food bloggers and chefs from all over the world are now exploring Nigerian meals, a testament to its influence. Kenyan cuisine also brings people together. Ugali, yamachoma, chapati, and sukuma wiki are staples that resonate deeply with locals and visitors alike. More than just food, meals in Kenya are communal experiences. Eating together is an important social event that fosters connection and unity. Ghana's food culture is deeply intertwined with its identity. Jollof rice is a national treasure, and yes, the jollof rice war between Ghana and Nigeria continues. But beyond that, food like wake, fufu show the country's culinary depth. Ghanaian spices and cooking styles have earned global recognition. Music plays a powerful role in making a country lovable. Nigeria's Afrobeat movement is now global, with Grammy-winning artists and sold-out concerts. Nigeria continues to set the standard. Kenyan artists, especially in genres like gengetons and Afropop, are also rising stars. Ghana's highlife and hip life continue to influence contemporary African music, blending tradition with modern beats. The fashion sense in these countries also reflects their cultural pride and creativity. Nigerian fashion designers are now seen on international runways. Kenya Kitegi styles have been reimagined by young creatives, making them trendy yet traditional. Ghana's kente cloth is a symbol of royalty and pride, worn at major ceremonies and are now featured in global fashion lines. When it comes to sports, Nigeria is known for its dominance in football. The Super Eagles have a massive fan base across Africa and have produced some of the continent's best players. Kenya is known globally for its long-distance runners, and we have athletes who are legends whose influence goes beyond sport. Ghana's Black Stars have also held their own in football, qualifying for multiple World Cups and producing legendary players. Diaspora love cannot be ignored. Nigerians in the diaspora are known for promoting their culture unapologetically. From YouTubers to scholars, they wave the flag proudly. Kenyans abroad often engage in community development and cultural events, maintaining a strong link with home. Ghanaians in the diaspora are among the most organized, often returning for holidays, weddings, and cultural festivals. All three countries have something that draws people in. Nigeria's boldness, Kenya's beauty, and Ghana's warmth all speak to different parts of the African soul. The truth is, it's hard to pick just one. Love for a country is often emotional, and many Africans and lovers of Africa find themselves connected to all three for different reasons. Let us know in the comments, do you think Nigeria, Kenya, or Ghana is Africa's most loved country, or do you have another country in mind that should be in this conversation? Before we wrap up, make sure to like this video if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on stories that celebrate Africa. This helps us grow and continue sharing the beauty and brilliance of the continent. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Nigeria, Kenya, and Ghana. Each country is special in its own right, and all three are shining examples of Africa's greatness. Until next time, stay proud, stay curious, and stay connected to the heartbeats of Africa.